I'm inviting you to move your body with me. In this video, we are going to be using our bodies to explore the 4 seasons. Let's start with a warm-up. As we warm up our bodies, we are also going to warm up our voice. Reach over to one side and say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Reach to the other side and say, ah, ah, ah. Bend your knees, open your hands and your mouth real wide. Say, wow, 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 wow. And now you're going to do and say, twist, twist, twist. Other side, twist, twist, twist. Let's speed that up. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist, again. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist, again. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist, again. Ooh, ah, wow. Twist, twist. One. There are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. What do you think of when you think of winter? Go ahead and say out loud anything that comes to mind when you think of the season of winter. In the winter, it gets cold and it might snow. Can you show on your body what it looks like when you're really cold? Let's pretend that we are skiing in the snow. What do you think of when you think of the season spring? In the spring, the flowers grow. Let's pretend that we are growing from a tiny seed all the way to be a fully grown flower. What do you think of when you think of summer? In the summer, it gets hot. Show me on your body what it feels like when you are hot. One of my favorite things to do in the summer is go to the pool and swim. Let's pretend we are swimming in the pool. Of when you think of fall? Go ahead, say it out loud. In the fall time, the leaves come down off of the trees and make big piles that are so fun to jump in. Can you use your body to show the season of fall? Let's pretend to jump in piles of leaves. Now it's time to cool down. Make sure that you're sitting up or standing up nice and tall. We're going to use our hands as we take a deep breath to scoop the air around us. Again. Last one. Now give yourself a squeeze and a pat on the back. And go ahead and tell yourself something that you like about yourself. Here's an idea for something you can do later. What is your favorite season of all? Go ahead and say, my favorite season is, and then fill in the blank. Why is that your favorite season? I think it could be fun to write down what your favorite season is and then draw a picture of what you like about that season or what you love to do during that season. Thanks for moving your body with me and thinking and imagining and exploring all about the 4 seasons.